Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin with our new topic, that is cultivation practices of cotton. The botanical name of cotton is Gossypium species and it belongs to family Malvaceae and originated from India. Next is geographical distribution. It is grown in India, USA, China, Mexico, Egypt, Sudan and Turkey and cultivated over an area 34.6 million hectare with production 54.5 million tons. India is third largest producer of cotton in world. Major growing states of cotton in India are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Orissa and Uttar Pradesh. It is grown over area 8.7 million hectare with total production of 11.64 million tons. The Maharashtra rank first in a production of cotton, followed by Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. Next is economic importance. Cotton is known as a king of fiber and also known as a white gold. About 15 to 25% of oil is extracted from cotton seed and it is also cultivated for manufacturing of clothes. In medical field, it is used as a surgical cotton and also used in a preparation of stuffing pillows, cushioning sofas, high grade papers, rayon, explosives and also used as a organic manure. Contain 6% nitrogen, 3% phosphorus and 2% potassium. Next is classification of cotton. It is classified into two main types, that is Desi cotton and American cotton. Desi cotton having two species. In that first one is Gossypium arboreum and second one is Gossypium herbaceum. In American cotton, it is classified into two species, that is Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium barbadense. Next one is growth stages. First is germination stage, which is occur after 4 to 7 days of sowing. Next is early vegetative phase. Next one is swearing phase, which is comes after 70 days of sowing. Next is flowering stage, which is comes after 70 to 100 days of sowing. And last one is ball development stage. Next is sowing time. Sowing time it changes according to region, where it will be going to cultivated. Normally it is grow in a kharif season, that is June to July, and irrigated cotton is cultivated between March to April. Next one is seed rate. Under the irrigated condition, hybrid varieties require 2 to 2.5 kg per hectare of seed rate and the spacing is 120 by 19 cm. For Desi improved, seed rate is 12 to 15 kg per hectare and the spacing is 60 by 15 or 60 by 30 cm. Next one is Desi hybrid. For seed rate, it is 3 to 3.5 kg per hectare and the spacing is 60 by 45 cm. For American improved, seed rate is 10 to 12 kg per hectare and the spacing is 60 by 30 cm. Next one is American hybrid. The seed rate is 3 to 4 kg per hectare and the spacing is 90 by 60 cm. Next is method of sowing. It is sown by dibbling or drilling method. Next is seed treatment. It is the most important practice to separate the fiber from the seed surface and make sowing convenient. There are two methods of seed treatment. First one is non-chemical and second one is chemical. In non-chemical method, seeds are allowed to soak in water for 10 to 12 hours and after that they are allowed to rub with slurry of cow dung and wood ash. And after rubbing, the treated seeds are allowed to drying in a shady areas. And after drying, the seeds are allowed to sowing. In chemical method, 10 kg of seeds is dipped into 1 liter of water which contain H2SO4 acid for 2 to 3 minutes. Then they are allowed to wash for 2 to 3 minutes into a water. After washing, the soaked seeds are dipped into sodium bicarbonate solution which contain 50 gram of sodium bicarbonate into 10 liter of water. And after dipping the seeds into sodium bicarbonate solution, they are allowed to drying off in a shady area, and sowing is carried out after the drying. Next one is nutrient management. About 15 to 20 tons of FYN required per hectare, and the nutrient requirement of cotton is 160:50:50, where the full dose of P and K is given at the time of sowing, and nitrogen is allowed in a 3 split doses. The first dose is given at the time of sowing, second dose is given at 30 days after sowing, and third dose is given at flowering stage. Next is weed management. For weed management, 3 hoeing and 3 weeding is necessary. And for weedicide, Bacillin, Diron, Alachlor are applied at the rate 1 kg active ingredient per hectare, or 0.5 to 1 kg active ingredient per hectare, or 1.5 to 3 kg active ingredient per hectare respectively. Next is harvesting. For the harvesting, maturity period is 150 to 200 days after sowing. It required 3 to 4 pickings. First picking is done at mid of October, second picking is done in the beginning of November, and third picking is done at last week of November and first week of December. And the next one is yield. Yield from improved seed is 15 to 20 quintal per hectare, and from hybrid seed it is 25 to 30 quintal per hectare. Next is cropping system. It allowed to sequence crop with sorghum, sesame, pearl millet and wheat. And in case of intercropping, we can intercrop the cotton with sorghum, maize, groundnut and chilies. Next is varieties. The varieties of Desi cotton is AKA 7, AKA 8401, Savata, then PHA 46, Rohini and Dhaval. In case of American cotton, the varieties are Renuka, SRT1, MCU 5, PHY 286 and Nagmanthan. Next is hybrid. For the varieties of hybrid cotton are PKV HY2, PKV HY4, HY6, HY8 and HY10, where the HY is hybrid. Thank you.